Today we are going to have a very different topic which is good for healthy individuals, which can be applicable for all the age groups. As we all see in the current modern world, right from children to old age, though we say them they are healthy, they are not on any medications, they are not on any treatments, they are not on any regular follow-ups with the doctors on regular basis, but still they are all facing a common problem, and it is for all age groups. This may be a bit surprising, and it may even alert you also. What could be that problem means? The problem connected to the spines, because in this current situation, if you see, right from children to old age, the people, they are exposed to electronic gadgets. It can be in video games, it can be a PlayStation, or it can be in what you can say iPads, or whatever it is, a desktop or a laptop or whatever it is. They don't keep the neck in the right posture, so they do a lot of changes in the neck posture to make them breathing. And what happens is, nowadays the best travel companion, otherwise even it is a good life companion also, the best travel companion is your electronic gadgets. And if you see, when you look at a mobile while you're sitting, you just bend forward and you forget it. When you're working on the mobile, you forget that your neck is bended for a long time, and this is very common. So like the same way, when you are in the lying posture, people will try to do a lot of abnormal postures to read the mobile while on the lying posture. This is universal for everyone. So the posture is creating a spinal deformity.